Let me walk you through how you can make money investing in treasury bills in Nigeria. Whether you're a Nigerian living in Nigeria or a Nigerian living in diaspora, this video is for you. On this channel, we are all about securing the bag, side hustles, investment, passive income. Welcome to the channel. If that's your kind of vibe, you're at the right place. Hit that subscribe button right away. I am Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian stock market, and your money cheerleader. So a lot of the community members in my previous video have been requesting that I make a video on treasury bill. Like I always say, anything you want me to make a video on, just let me know. I'm happy to oblige. So today I'll be showing you how you can invest in Nigerian treasury bills. I'm going to be sharing my screen to show you how you can invest through the app. The app we'll be using for today is AfriInvestor 2.0. But before we go into it, let me give you some details you should know. What treasury bill is, how much you need to start investing. In fact, everything you need to know about treasury bills. So first off, treasury bill is like a debt. You are lending money to the government. Of course, now the big person where you be, the government can also borrow money from us. So when they come to the market, it's up to you. Okay, do I want to lend to the government? Usually the tenor is short term, like less than 1 year. You can do for 3 months, you can do for 6 months, 1 year. But then the higher the tenor, the longer the tenor, the more interest you can get. Let me show you sample. So now, as you can see on the screen, we have different tenors, and none of them is beyond 1 year. So you have 38 days, 73 days, and then the longest for now is 346 days. And here you will see, for that the one of 38 days, the interest is like 16.65. We are looking at the net rate, not the yield. But as the tenor increases, the interest is also increasing. Look at the one for 347 days now, 346 days, the interest is like 18.25. So it's usually like that. The longer you leave your money, the more interest you make. And then another thing you should note is that there are two ways you can buy this treasury bill. What we call primary offer and secondary offer. I'm going to explain. So when you say primary offer, that means you are buying direct from the government, from DMO, right? But for this now, the minimum amount you need is 50 million naira. As of where you be now, I don't say some of us have that much. But if you don't have that much, no problem. You can buy from the secondary market. So from the secondary market, the minimum amount is 100,000 naira. What happens now is that those that bought from the primary market, they can come to the secondary market and sell it. How do you buy? Do you go to your market? No. How you do it is that apps we use, which I mentioned, AfriInvestor 2.0 is what we are going to be using, which I'm going to share my screen shortly to show you how it works. But take note of that. You can either buy from primary market or secondary market. If you're buying from the AfriInvestor app, that means it's secondary market. If you have up to 15 million naira, you can reach out to your bank or to any investment bank you know. Another interesting thing you should know is that when it comes to the interest payment, you can decide to take the interest up front ahead. Let's say that you invest today and you calculate your interest. You can decide to opt out, like maybe my interest today. Now on maturity, I will get back my capital. That's what some people do. Like I have some clients now, maybe when they have a need, they need to pay for something. They won't want to use their money. They will come to me, Jenny, I want interest of so amount. We'll do the calculation and tell them, okay, this is how much you need to invest to get that kind of interest. So once they now pull in the money, invest in the treasury bill today, they will get their interest, go and do what they want to do. Then on maturity, they will now come back for their capital. You can see it's investment. You eat your cake and have it again. So that's our two options. But personally, I prefer to roll over my interest instead of taking it up front, right? I prefer to roll it over because it's like your interest making more money for you. Let's say I invest 100K now and my interest is 10,000 naira. What I can do, I can take that 10,000 naira now. When it that matures, I'll come back and take my 100K. Or I can decide that no, I don't want to take the 10K. Add it back to my 100K. So that be like 110,000 naira. That is what you're investing. So that even that 10,000 has its own interest, is going to earn you. You see, making your money make money for you. Your money, we have grandchildren. Our grandchildren, we have great grandchildren. That's the beauty of investment. But you don't need to calculate all of this because on the app, it's automatically calculated. So fear not. How do I calculate the interest if I want to take up front or not? You don't have to do all of that. It's already on the system. So that's basically what you need to know about treasury bill. You're lending money to the government, and I've explained how the interests work. You can invest with any investment bank. I think some commercial bank actually do this, but I prefer investment bank because that is their business, right? And now you don't even have to talk to any of them. Once you have the app, in this case AfriInvestor 2.0, you are good to go. So I'm going to share my screen right now to show you step by step how you can take advantage of this offer. But before then, please, I beg you, I know that it's not compulsory, but if you don't mind, could you please hit the like button on this video, that thumbs up, right? It's going to let YouTube know that we are doing something nice here and help spread the video to more people, helping grow our community. Thank you so much. So please hit the like button for me. Okay, follow me. Let me show you how to invest using the Afro Investor app. When you log into the Afro Investor app, down here you will see wallet. Assuming that you don't have money here, you just click on wallet. I've already funded my account before now, so when you come here, click on deposits, right? Enter the amount you want to. Remember, it's a minimum of 100,000 naira. When you click next, it will ask you if you want to use your debit card or your bank transfer. Click on bank transfer. Now, after loading, it will show you an account number. Copy that account, go to your bank and do the transfer. Okay, you can see the account number now. Once you transfer to this account number, click transfer done. When you come back, refresh, you will see the money in your account, right? So let's now go and buy. Now we have money. Let's go into the Afro Investor app and invest in Treasury bill. So down here where you have invest, click on invest. You will see different options here. So on Afro Investor, you can invest in Nigerian stocks, commercial paper, Treasury bill. But today we are discussing Treasury bills. If you need me to walk you through any of the other investment options here, let me know. I'm happy to do that, right? So now you click on Treasury bills. It's going to give you different options, that is different tenors. As you can see, there is 115 days, 143 days. And if you notice, usually the longer the tenor, the higher the interest in most cases. Sometimes it might not be like that though. So here now, and another thing, the maturity will also be stated. Let's assume now we want to invest on this one. Of which one do we choose? 255 days is 20%. I like that. Okay, let's do 255 days. That means next year is when it's going to mature. So I'm going to click on 255 days. Reinvest interest. So remember, like I said before, you have the option of getting your interest up front or reinvesting it. Yeah, reinvesting it. That means that it will be added to your capital. On maturity, you now get both your capital and your interest. So for me, I like to reinvest interest, because if I take this money, I might spend it. That is, if I get the interest, I might spend it. So let's tap on this reinvest my interest. How much do you want to invest? 100,000 naira. Right, so when I have done that, you see down here wallet, I have 103, so I'm able to invest up to 100. If not, they will ask you to top up. Now click on buy. It may take a while to load. So here it will give you the summary of what you are investing in, your investment date, that is today's date, the maturity date, when you're getting your money back, discounted value, because these are the charges, your total consideration, your net interest, blah blah blah. Just look at everything. Yes, the interest is 18.1, but the true yield is 20.7. So click on proceed. That is if you are fine with everything. Just the moment you are getting your order process. It's as simple as that, right? Nigerian Treasury bill 255 days purchase in progress. Your order has been successfully placed. Done. And that's exactly how you invest in Nigerian Treasury bills and be getting paid by the government. This is perfect for short-term investors, right? So I'm really happy that you are able to watch to the end. And wait, Shebi, you know that Treasury bill is just one out of the many ways you can make money from the federal government of Nigeria. I have a previous video where I discussed about NGN savings bond. This one, there's a way you can arrange it. You'll be getting paid every single month by the Nigerian government. On that video, I shared my screen. I showed you how you can do it step by step, how you can arrange your investment. If you invest at least, that one happens once every month. So if you're able to invest like at least 3 times in a year, that means you have qualified to be getting paid every single month. Just leave this video now, go and watch that one. I'm going to leave the link to the video on the description. So go there, click on it and watch how you can invest in savings world and make money from the government. I'm really happy that you're part of this community. Thank you for being here. I hope you've liked this video, right? So if there is any topic, just the way you recommended this treasury bill and I have delivered on it, let me know in the comments what next you want me to talk about. Thank you and see you on that next video on savings bonds.